Since 1897, Godrej Boyce has played a pivotal role in India's economic growth and self-reliance. At Godrej Construction, we are proud to build upon this legacy. Our success is built on trusted long-term partnerships that drive superior business performance. The procurements and contracts team is a strategic function that supports our business operations, helping us achieve our strategic business plans. We work closely with our partners to align them with our purpose, vision, mission, and values. Our key partners are essential in meeting our stakeholders' expectations consistently. Our rewards and recognition program celebrates long-term partnerships and exceptional performance. We took the lead in the real estate and construction industry to initiate third-party partner feedback surveys. Through these surveys, we continuously improve our processes and systems. With growing concerns about climate change, sustainable procurement is a crucial differentiator for the future. Our practices adhere to ISO 20400 sustainable procurement standards, promoting eco-friendly operations to reduce our carbon footprint. Currently, over 10% of our A-class partners are green certified, and we aim for 100% green certified A-class partners by 2032. We've implemented the Grace Majority model to celebrate Kaizen achievements, encouraging partners to share innovative ideas and continuous improvements. We strive to maintain an accident-free, safe working environment and also collaborate with our partners to promote industry-leading safety practices. Our commitment to data protection and cybersecurity follows the ISO 27001 standard, and we encourage partners to ensure strong IT infrastructure that safeguards data privacy. We've consistently met stakeholder expectations and are honored to be the only real estate and construction company to receive the CII Business Excellence Award 2 years in a row. This achievement is a testament to the dedication and support of our key partners. As we contribute to the Godrej Boyce growth story, we look forward to building a stronger synergy with our partners for a sustainable future. Pioneer progress for generations with Godrej Construction.